Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken pot pie. For our ingredients, we have pie crust, butter, onion, carrots, garlic cloves, all-purpose flour, chicken broth, heavy cream, salt to taste, black pepper, frozen peas, parsley, egg, and carrots. We have cubed chicken breasts. I'm going to add some butter to my pan, and then I'm going to add my chicken, and I'm going to cook my chicken well. I didn't have any cooked chicken, so I decided to dice up some chicken breasts and cook my own chicken for my chicken pot pie. In a Dutch oven or a pot, you want to melt your butter. You want to add your diced onions and your carrots. You want to saute for about 5 minutes over medium heat or until soft. Then you want to add your flour and you want to stir. You want to add your salt, your black pepper, and you want to season to your taste. You want to add your garlic and saute. And now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Your heavy cream, and you want to simmer for a few minutes or until your gravy has thickened. You want to add your cooked chicken, your frozen peas. You want to stir and combine and then remove from the heat and let it cool. Here I made my own pie crust. If you are interested in the recipe, I have a video on it and I will link it in the description box below. I'm going to lightly flour my countertop. I'm taking my pie crust out of the plastic and we're going to start to roll it out. I decided to make small chicken pot pies individually, small chicken pot pies for everyone, instead of making a big one. I made some little ones. I had some little pans, so I was like, let's just get rid of these little pans and make these mini chicken pot pies. So as you can see, I'm going through and I'm just rolling it out to the size that I want. And then I just used a bowl to cut out the size that I felt like I needed for the bottom of my chicken pot pies. And I'm just making an imprint into the dough, and then I'm going to cut the dough out. So now that the bottom of our chicken pot pies are cut out, now I'm just going to place them in the bottom of the pan and smoothen them out. Now that my bottoms are done, I'm going to put the chicken pot pie filling in the middle. These are great to make, especially if you have children, and they're good for lunch and dinner. So now all of them are filled up. We're going to move on to our top layer, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I am going to roll out my dough, and I am going to cut the tops out. I'm going to use the foil pan this time. And now that everything is rolled out, I have made an imprint, and now I'm just going to cut out the circles that I pre-made. And I just cut little circles in the middle for the steam to vent through. You could do slits once you put your pie crust on the top, but I wanted to do little circles. So here I have put the tops on, and now I am just trimming the edges, and I'm going to push it down with a fork. And that is how I do my pot pies. And here it is. Aren't they cute? And you just want to bake them normally as you would bake a regular pot pie. You want to keep an eye on them so you don't burn the edges. You could put aluminum foil around the edges so that it doesn't cook faster. But this is a wonderful idea, especially if you're meal prep. This is wonderful. Oh, and one thing you don't want to forget, you want to add egg wash to the top of your chicken pot pie. So we have made mini chicken pot pies. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.